Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're doing another makeup tutorial. Rihanna recently released a video about 2 days ago called Sledgehammer, and I was so inspired by her look that I was like, oh yeah, I absolutely have to recreate. In the video, she was kind of like a tribal princess, alien, space warrior. The new video is promoting the new Star Trek movie. So yeah, I'm not really going to talk too much about this look. Just stay tuned and yeah, enjoy. I applied two coats of the washable school glue, and now I'm about to go in with my Revlon Nearly Naked powder and pretty much just kind of set my eyebrows. Just set my eyebrows. And this is just really so it won't be sticky anymore. And then I'm also going to go in and color correct with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Orange Corrector. So right now I'm going to just use this opportunity to color correct my whole face. Well, the areas that I need to. The foundation that I used is the MAC Matchmaster. The color that the woman sold to me in the store was Mahogany. I like to put on chapstick whenever I do makeup because my lips get super dried out. Next, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting. And even though I don't have any eyebrows, I'm still highlighting where I would normally highlight. I always use this to contour, which is my L'Oreal True Match liquid foundation in the color C10 Espresso. Oh wow. This looks different on camera than it does in person. Anyways, whatever. So yeah, L'Oreal True Match liquid foundation in the color C10 Espresso. I'm going to use this for my contour. I shake the bottle up, take the cap, use whatever's in the cap for my contour. Okay, so now is eyeshadow. She got this funky weird thing going on, so we're gonna try to get this down. And she kind of just, it's weird. I'm going into the crease of my, like where I would highlight my eyebrows is where I'm actually going in with this orange. And I'm really dragging it down the side of my nose. Right now I'm going in with a brown color. I'm using the Maybelline Nude palette with all the nude eyeshadows. Yeah. And I'm going in with this brown right here. I definitely want to darken this up, so I'm going to go on with a darker brown. I'm using my Urban Decay Smokey palette, using the color Whiskey right here. next you want to go back in with the Urban Decay Smokey palette, and you want to add Combust on your eyelids. Next you're going to take a white and you're going to focus on the center of your eyelid. I'm going to take some of that whiskey out the bottle. Drag that right underneath. Now you're going back in with this orange and make sure you make that stand out, because it kind of got flushed away with the brown. And we really want to bring it in to our nose. So kind of like that. And you also want to take the orange to the inner part of your eye. I'm taking my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the color Banana. Taking a cap, pretty much a cap full, about a cap full. Using my wedge sponge. And, oh crap. Putting that underneath my eye. I really just went over the eye shadow that I just did. So now I'm gonna just brush this off. Ciao. Oh man, hala man. I'm gonna bronze with the Technique Color Fix bronzing palette. Milani Tantastic Baked Bronzer. I'm using that for my actual highlight because it looks like a highlight, not a bronzer. It's so pretty. So right now I'm just using a basic brown to line the top of my lips. Well, my top lip. I'm gonna try to overline my lip. And next I'm taking my NYX matte lipstick in the color Mason. So next I'm going in with NYX matte lipstick in the color Butter. And I am just going to go over my top lip once again. Let that do its thing while I line the bottom of my lips with a black liner. Assaulted crimes, oh, what could I do to change? Now that I line my lip, I'm going to use a black lipstick to fill in my bottom lip. I don't ever use black lipstick. I'm too dark for that. I feel like I can't even close my lips. But I'm gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London and go over my top lip. Rihanna also highlighted the inner corner of her eyes. So there. Her lips come out at the bottom, so I'm gonna actually use my eyeliner. So next is the fun part. I'm about to start drawing the lines that she has on her face. I'm gonna start with the eyeliner. I'm gonna draw 3 lines. Uh-oh, can't even see me. part down. Another part to go. So I'm taking my angle brush. I'm pretty much just taking the eyeliner off of the applicator. And I'm drawing the part that she has underneath her nose. But I hit a wall, I hit a wall. Watch the fall. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. Oh man. Well, I'll come back and fix that in a second. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. Okay, this is the final results of the look. Yeah. I want to say that this was not an easy video to make at all. This video took so long, like so long to make, and it's not even perfect. It's just like, honey, whoever did Rihanna's makeup, I commend you 100%, because this is absolutely difficult. Like, all this detail is so difficult. Like, if I was to do anything differently, I would make sure that the Elmer school glue was left on a little bit longer, because it's starting to peel through and show my eyebrows. So that's the only thing that I would do differently. Other than that, this was extremely fun. Like, I really enjoyed myself. This video was out of the norm, even though I did do Beyonce's Lemonade, so you could check that out. I'll link that link it right here. But yeah, go check that video out and tell me what you think about that. This is Rihanna's video, Sledgehammer. Until next time, friends. Bye. If you enjoyed what you just watched, I have my previous video linked in the box right here. All you have to do is click it. Thanks.